In this video, I want to talk about having a trading plan, look at a confluence of events and some recent results. So let's get into it. Hi, it's Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Today's Friday, the 17th of April. I had a live 2-hour webinar with my clients this time last night. We had clients from 32 countries from around the world. A really good interactive webinar. Heaps of information shared, lots of live trades, some that I took myself and others that clients had open already prior to the webinar. I also shared with my clients how over the past 2 weeks, just by following my daily trade suggestions only, at only 0.25% risk per trade, on a complete 100% set and forget approach. So that's including staying open non-farm payrolls, staying open over weekends, etc. Just a complete 100% set and forget approach. They have made 4.45% over the last 2 weeks since the previous webinar. Now, of course, if you wanted to risk slightly higher, half of 1% risk per trade, that would have been a 9% return over the last 2 weeks trading just the daily charts. That's just copying the trades that I post each day on my website for my clients. It takes people 5 to 10 minutes once a day, and that's it. So imagine that, over a 9% return in just the last 2 weeks. Now, on that webinar, we discussed in some length about the importance of having a confluence of events within your trading. So what I mean by that is when you're looking at a new trade setup, and let's say you trade like I do and you're looking at candle patterns and candlestick analysis, it's all well and good to actually find a potential continuation or reversal candle, but to back it up you need more than just that, because nothing by itself works. You can't just rely on just a candle pattern or just a certain indicator or just a pivot point. It needs to be a multiple confluence of events to give yourself a high probability chance of a successful trade. And that's what we talked about. We were looking at not just the candle pattern, but where does it occur within the chart? What's happened before it? What time of day is it? Where does it bounce? Does it bounce at a certain level for a reason? Has it bounced there in the past? Has it exhausted prior? Has there been a trend line break? Do we have divergence? Do we have a bounce off a round number? All sorts of different things. Are we trading with the strength and weakness of the daily trend as well, or are we against that? So we looked at a huge number of pairs and certain time frames. We looked at the daily charts, the 4 hourlies, the hourly charts, and I even found a few 5-minute chart trades to share as well, because I like the longer time frame. It doesn't mean to say everybody does. So we looked at all sorts of things, looking at some really good trade setups. The other thing I wanted to share with was I've had a few emails from people, and I'm a little bit scared, I suppose you could say. I asked people on the Forex Peace Army site, if you don't have a trading plan, let me know. Some of the results, so I'm a little bit sort of concerned. This is non-clients I'm talking about. People don't seem to have a good trading plan. And it's something that you really do need. You must have a trading plan. It's the same as any other business. Treat your trading on a longer term basis. Don't be worried about just having a losing trade or two, or opposite to that, don't be really excited because you've had 1 or 2 winning trades. Look at your trading as a longer term business. Look at it over the course of a week, then a course of a month, course of a quarterly length of time. It's not all about doom and gloom because you've had 1 losing trade. Look at it at a lot longer term. One person wrote to me and said, Andrew, I've had some good trades, but now I'm down this week 85% on my account. And it's like, what? 85% down in a week? What on earth are you doing? So it just shows to me that people don't understand money management, and they're sort of treating their trading as a gamble and don't have that plan. So really ensure that you have the plan. If you need some help with that, then just email me and I'll send you some information to help you out. Last thing I want to talk about is my 40th birthday promotion. Myself and my wife, as you probably know already, we're off to India for 3 weeks in May to celebrate my 40th. I've always wanted to go there, and it's one of my goals. I have trading goals and I have personal goals, and so, but going to India is one of my personal goals, and I'm fulfilling that. I'm going to be trading, carrying on trading the daily charts and looking after my clients and answering emails while there, but I'm not going to be trading anything shorter term. But to celebrate that, I'm offering you a discount on my course. It's a $400 discount to celebrate Andrew's 40th birthday. There's information about that on my site, on the homepage. It's an offer that I've never run before, never had a price discount before, and I've been coaching people since 2009. So it's not likely I'm going to be doing this again either. So that runs out the 1st of May. If there's something that interests you, if you wanted to be looking at taking my course, you've been on the fence, you're not quite sure, do I, don't I? If it's price that's worrying you, look, this is a $400 discount, a genuine discount. It ends on the 1st of May, so I really encourage you to take advantage of that, and look forward to helping you becoming a successful Forex trader. So that's all for now, and I will talk to you this time next week.